Hi, hello, and welcome to this Blender quick tip. Have you ever been 3D modeling in Blender and struggled a bit to see the vertices simply because they're just too small to see clearly? So using this Suzanne monkey head as an example, you can see that the vertices are a bit on the small side. Well, you may or may not be aware that you can alter the size of the vertices. Go to your preferences. Select themes and then 3D viewport, and then work your way down to vertex size. You can see this is currently set to 2 pixels. I'm not sure, off the top of my head, I'm not sure whether 2 pixels is the default setting. Maybe someone can tell me in comments. Anyway, try 4 pixels. That looks too big to me. Take it down a bit, 3 pixels, that's fine, and save preferences. As always, I hope you found this Blender tip useful. I'm working on a few others just now, so watch out for those. To be sure that you get to see them, please subscribe and set your notifications. Again, if you know someone who you think might like this tip or the channel, then please share it around. Please also feel free to like, comment or constructively criticise, or put forward some suggestions for other topics or issues you'd like to see covered on the channel. I'll take it all on board. Thanks. Bye now.